To create this part, the hinge door, a total of 3 sketches, 2 boss extrudes, and 1 cut extrude was used. For the first sketch, which was created on the front plane, we used horizontal and vertical constraints, as well as tangent constraints and coinciding constraints, to create the shown sketch using the shown dimensions. For these arcs, we used 3-point arcs. For the second sketch, we used convert entities. No, we didn't. For the second sketch, which we drew on this face of the pre-existing part, we created the shown rectangle using the pre-existing face as a guideline. We then cut extruded that sketch using the through all option to cut through the entirety of the part. We also created a plane using reference geometry, which we then used to create this third sketch. This sketch, we drew 2 circles, one 4.5 millimeters, the other 9 millimeters. We then extruded this hole a total of 7.8 millimeters using the blind option. With this, we arrived at the finished part.